Downpour. Last week's downpour turned half.
How did
the
you know?
city
You're
into a
faster than
swimming
them. I'm amazed at his technological control, yeah, because we've never had a guest who does this. Wow.
If you had to pick one unusual mode of transport to survive the monsoon commute, what would it be?
I feel a great sense of superiority
There
without
is an
sounding.
8 missing. Like, what would be?
Yeah, but it's Vishnu. So Vishnu's
stopped
first
giving
language
a-
is Malayalam.
Yeah.
And his second language is Bengali.
You should ask him to pitch you to Priyadarshan.
No, his Bengali has become better than his
Oh,
Malayalam.
okay.
So he sounds very odd now.
Right.
He's got a Bengali accent in Malayalam. So it's very, very
Priyadarshan made Bhool Bhulaiya, which was set in Bengal.
fair enough. And he's also used about 11 languages in his thing. And if you look at the accents that
Great.
people put on, that's 22 immediately.
Yeah.
So what was the question? If you had to pick one, what would it be?
Before we get into that, I studied in Bangalore, and there was a hack to identify who's a Malayali in your class is when the professor
So
is
Nora and this fat shaming and all that. Okay, but now when you start getting communal, I have to just
It's
allow
not
it to be
communal, it's
now
just,
it's a piece of humor. Okay.
when the professor is taking
we
the
apologize.
this is not offensive.
We have made one very good Priyadarshan point, so we are hoping there's a
I
balance.
love Malayalis. Malayalis are amazing.
Don't
They
say that
made-
sounds creepy again. I
No,
love
it's
Malayalis.
not. I love.
Everywhere, the poor girl walking the road and she says, "What's your name?"
No, yo. I love Malayali women.
Sarah Kutti. You're
Women-
Malayali.
Oh, this is not racist, huh? You're
No,
putting
that's what you do. No wonder she left. Your girlfriend
didn't
left
do
because of
anything.
this.
No.
Chasing Malayali girls.
Jesus. I love Malayali women, men, all.
1 minute. Don't throw the men into it. You said you spoke from your heart here. Okay, so
Can I go to
you,
my...
you love Malayali women and Priyadarshan. End it. Then
Yeah, that one Malayali.
And John
so
Abraham.
when the professor is taking the attendance, when they call out your name and someone says present, sir, you hear out for the ones who say present instead of present. That's a Malayali.
Malayali sound engineer.
See, that clearly means it's funny.
He's laughing his
It's
head
not
off.
offensive.
Can you say it?
Nah, he's
He
not.
can't say it.
I can't say it. Yeah,
This is
what the
problem.
hell?
Bombay
Fake
screws-
Malayali.
Bombay screws your ethnicity. You come and lose it. You can't. You're like a fraud. You go back
Yeah.
home. You're the fraud Ballu in the room now. You're like, oh, I can't get the accent.
So yeah, present and turn out to be like a word.
I think it's 1-1 in terms of my presentation over the Nora story and your presentation. I think it's 1-1. I think it's fair to say it's a divided policy here.
But going back to the question,
yeah.
unusual mode of travel. I mean, you should know this. Transport is your.
So I have a superpower. I'm like an Avenger in the monsoon,
You have a
unlike
card.
anybody else. See, I've always dressed for war. Like nothing
Right,
bothers
that's
me.
true.
Yeah, I got wet while working out and all because we got a makeshift gym
okay.
right now. Yeah. Everybody else went in and got towels and all. It's fine. Nothing bothers me because everything's
Right.
torn, tattered, no value. The Pita T-shirt I value a lot, but it'll soon be old. It's now only a month old, so it's.
It's got an elephant, a rooster,
Yeah,
and a
because
dog.
it's Pita, so they're animals.
Every
How
animal
do I say
is
this in
someone.
Malayalam? He doesn't seem to understand anything. So
But I'm very present in this.
you are very
moment.
present, but let me quickly tell you that if you dress like me, rain is never a challenge. Now, transport is another story.
Transport is what.
See, the transport is the thing is that all you guys, you worked with us for so many years,
Yeah.
always blame the rain for coming late. Alright, I've never been late in the rain because it's a simple thing. You know it's raining, so you leave early. You'll actually land up early if you plan properly.
I mean, you really want me to point out that you have the convenience of a driver and a vehicle.
How does it
at your-
matter? I'll find my way
People
to a station.
who travel by public
I
transport.
had to work in Singapore for some time. I had to find my own way everywhere.
Singapore infrastructure don't compare with Bombay, no.
You're saying we are not as good as Singapore?
No, we're not. I'm
You want to
sorry
live in
break
this city?
it. I am.
Be very careful. We were supposed to become Shanghai by 96.
But now we've gone back, no? Now
Now-
the CM is saying Shanghai is
Cancelled.
bypass, yeah.
We are
Now
above
we have-
Shanghai.
We don't need to be Shanghai anymore. We have
One
to.
second, let's understand from a rail point of view. So we have gone this way from Shanghai, but we have not gone that way into Shanghai.
No.
So Shanghai नहीं है.
नहीं है.
हम लोग U-turn मार के उधर right में गया.
अभी किसी और का क्यों बनने का अपना खुद का बनने का
Safe.
Yeah.
बहुत safe चीज है.
So Shanghai
क्योंकि अभी comparison नहीं कर सकता मैं. What thinking? What philosophy? This is glorious. I stamp approval. This is glorious thinking.
Yeah.
Why? This is a very good idea because otherwise we say LA, New York, forget Paris. What do we care?
Yeah.
We are unique.
Yes,
And the metro will be complete soon.
hopefully.
What about you? Since you take public transport and you're Aam Aadmi and all that, you tell me.
No man, I don't know, something that floats because because
Don't want to make the
rickshaws,
obvious.
rickshaws and
Do you-
what? I
but
won't
people are
travel
asking,
on a,
do you
I
float?
won't travel on a turd, okay?
But do you float?
In a water body?
Yeah.
Of course I do.
Really?
Yeah, human body floats.
We'll get the video for you guys. Not necessarily. You can't swim, you
does,
die.
Baba.
People drown.
No, if you just lay on your back in a pool, your body floats up to the surface.
Ultimately, you'll sink if you don't know how to swim.
Oh.
Abbas, what are you saying? You're defying physics. How much do you weigh?
I haven't weighed myself.
Whatever. Let's say 100 odd.
120. Yeah.
We put you in the water. You're not going to survive if you can't swim.
If okay, if you
Are you a comedian, podcaster, or scientist?
swimmer also,
And Malayali stalker, which I won't get into. Yeah.
if you I'm not saying
Bro, what are you saying?
If you jump in the water, you will float by yourself.
Then you'll start a
But-
religion.
But
If you can float on your
No,
own.
that was walking.
Okay, stop it. I don't want to go there. There's no need to go there. Why do Vijay? Never do Vijay. Let it go. The guy says something, just let it go.
I remember my swimming instructor saying that if you if you go,
He
on
was
your-
lazy.
If you go on
You're
your
a lazy
back,
instructor. You don't want to teach anyone. ये वो कुछ नहीं था ऐसा लेट जाओ कुछ नहीं हो जाएगा.
They're gonna
Sir,
murder.
but बिपिन भाई मर गया. Oh ठीक है. That by mistake.
they're gonna murder me in the comments for this.
They're going to murder you.
Yeah.
Because it's again science, Baba. Otherwise you just throw our kids in and what is he saying?
Please cut this.
He's not right.
He's right. She said I'm right.
Yeah, you're not right. You will not float forever. For a little while, the body will come up, then you'll sink.
Maybe the water body makes a difference. If you're like in the ocean, maybe not. But in a pool,
No, forget ocean. In a pool, you will not survive.
Papa, I have floated on in a pool.
You're special. And the water lost. Okay, these things happen. But by and large, it's not possible.
Okay, please correct us if we are wrong.
Correct,
If
no.
I am wrong in the comments. Yeah.
Unbelievable. I can't believe I have someone with less intellectual capacity.
I am very
Than me.
intellectual. I write columns for the Indian Express. Okay, please. All right.